Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Rover Vogue D300 in Santorini Black. This car's previously had one owner as its ex-management, therefore has been looked after excellently. You have 22-inch gloss black alloys, giving the car a real sporty appearance. A powered tailgate, perfect if you've got your hands full. And as you can see, you've got plenty of space there in the boot for things such as shopping, golf clubs and pushchairs. This car is next due for a service in March 2023. You also have keyless entry, so I can tap there to lock the vehicle and pull the handle to unlock the vehicle as long as the key's nearby. Range Rover script tread plates and a stunning leather interior which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. Cooler compartment, handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, which really does make parking and reversing so much easier. You also have heated seats, which are a luxury especially in winter. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, along with valet mode enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. Bluetooth enabling you to make calls whilst on the go. You have controls on your wheel including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, all really helpful especially along the motorway. A heated steering wheel are definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, handy if there's several people driving the car. And you also have a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Electrically folding wind mirrors, which is handy if you're in a tight space, can prevent them from being damaged. And this car's done 5,342 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Vogue at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.